Are you ready to take your baking to the next level with a powerhouse appliance that promises to make your kitchen adventures effortless and fun? Meet the Instant Pot 6-speed 6.3-quart stand mixer with stainless steel bowl. This mixer isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's your new best friend for whipping up delicious creations with ease and precision. Whether you're a passionate home baker or just starting your culinary journey, this stand mixer is designed to handle everything from the lightest meringues to the heaviest bread doughs. Let's dive into the features that make this mixer a must-have for every kitchen. One of the standout features of the Instant Pot stand mixer is its powerful 400-watt motor. This robust motor ensures the mixer can handle a wide range of tasks, from whipping delicate meringues to kneading dense bread dough. The power behind this mixer means that it can effortlessly mix ingredients to a smooth and consistent texture, essential for achieving the best culinary results. Whether you're preparing a batch of fluffy whipped cream or mixing the dough for chewy chocolate chip cookies, this mixer has the power to get the job done efficiently. The mixer offers 6 different mixing speeds plus a pulse function, providing excellent control over your mixing tasks. These speed settings allow you to start slowly to prevent splattering and then gradually increase the speed as needed. This versatility is particularly useful when working with a variety of recipes that require different mixing techniques. For instance, you can use a low speed to incorporate dry ingredients gently and then switch to a higher speed for beating eggs or cream. The pulse function is a handy feature for giving a quick burst of power when you need to mix ingredients just a bit more without overdoing it. The 6.3-quart stainless steel mixing bowl is another notable feature of this stand mixer. Its large capacity makes it ideal for mixing substantial quantities of ingredients, perfect for those who love to bake in bulk. According to the manufacturer, the bowl can handle up to 100 cookies in a single batch, which is impressive. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning, while the included handle makes it convenient to pour out batter or transfer dough. The mixer employs planetary mixing action, which means that the mixing attachment moves around the bowl in a circular motion while spinning on its axis. This ensures that ingredients are thoroughly and evenly mixed, reaching every part of the bowl. This feature is particularly beneficial for achieving smooth, lump-free batters and doughs. The thorough mixing action means that you won't have to stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl as often, saving you time and effort. The Instant Pot stand mixer is designed with user convenience in mind. The non-slip feet keep the mixer stable during operation, even at higher speeds. This stability is crucial for safety and precision, ensuring that the mixer stays in place on your countertop. Additionally, the mixer has a tilt head design, allowing you easy access to the bowl and mixing attachments. This feature makes it simple to add ingredients or remove the bowl without any hassle. Cleaning up after baking can be a tedious task, but the Instant Pot stand mixer makes it easier. The stainless steel bowl, whisk, paddle, and dough hook are all dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleanup process. The removable pouring shield helps prevent splatters during mixing, keeping your kitchen cleaner and reducing the amount of cleanup required. Despite its powerful motor and large capacity, the mixer is relatively lightweight thanks to its durable ABS housing. This makes it easy to move and store when not in use. The sturdy construction ensures that the mixer will last for years, maintaining its good looks and performance. Safety is a priority with the Instant Pot stand mixer. The mixer includes an auto shutoff feature, which provides peace of mind by preventing the motor from overheating or running for too long. This feature is especially useful when working on longer mixing tasks, as it helps protect both the mixer and your kitchen from potential accidents. The mixer comes with a variety of attachments to enhance its versatility. These include a mixing paddle, dough hook, whisk, and a removable pouring shield. Each attachment is designed to perform specific tasks effectively, making it easier to tackle a wide range of recipes. Whether you're mixing cake batter, kneading bread dough, or whipping cream, you'll have the right tool for the job. To further enhance your baking experience, The Instant Pot Stand Mixer includes access to the Instant Brands Connect app. This free app, available for both iOS and Android, offers a wealth of recipes to inspire your culinary creations. From quick favorites to more elaborate dishes, the app provides step-by-step instructions to help you make the most of your mixer. In terms of overall performance, the Instant Pot 6-speed 6.3-quart stand mixer with stainless steel bowl excels in delivering consistent and reliable results. Its powerful motor, versatile speed settings, and large capacity bowl make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The planetary mixing action ensures thorough mixing, while the easy-to-clean design and included attachments add to its convenience. Conclusion: the Instant Pot 6-speed 6.3-quart stand mixer with stainless steel bowl is a standout appliance that offers excellent performance, versatility, and ease of use. Its powerful motor, large capacity, and thorough mixing action make it ideal for a wide range of baking and cooking tasks. With safety features, easy cleanup, and access to a recipe app, it's a comprehensive package for both novice and experienced bakers. If you're looking for a reliable stand mixer that can handle everything from delicate batters to heavy doughs, the Instant Pot stand mixer is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.